excited. Sorry, I'm a little turned up this morning. But I am super excited to share with you guys my little potion. My little potion that I drink before I go to the gym in the morning. It's really good for melting your belly fat. People talk about apple cider vinegar all the time, and everybody makes it a little different way. I'm gonna show you guys how I make mine. Y'all see my results already, so they speak for themselves. It's super easy to make. It doesn't taste all that great, but neither does alcohol, but y'all still, speaking of alcohol, but y'all still be taking shots, don't you? Okay, well, you can take some of this apple cider vinegar. The first couple times, you're not gonna like it at all. Actually, every time, you're not gonna like it at all, but it's okay because it's gonna get you to your goal of melting that belly fat away. Then you can be snatches. Okay, you're gonna need 5 things for this. You're gonna need some water, apple cider vinegar. I get this brand, it's called Bragg's, and it says with mother there. Make sure, with mother. Make sure you get that one. All the research I've done says that that's the go-to one, okay? You need a lemon, cayenne pepper, and turmeric. Turmeric is an anti-inflammatory and it's good for your cha-cha. Thank me later. All right, y'all, I'm gonna make it now. I don't use any exact measurements for this. I just kind of eyeball it. My glass ends up being like 1/3 of the way full once I'm done, so. I always try and drown out the apple cider vinegar as much as I can. You end up using like a half a lemon every morning. If you don't want that much lemon, you don't have to, but that's what I do. Done with this. Cool. A little bit of turmeric. Stir it up. Pepper to top it off. All right, here's the drink. Okay, like I said, every morning since I've been drinking this drink, my skin's cleared up, and you guys see my results for drinking it. I guess y'all want me to drink it so that y'all know that I really drink it, huh? And fine. It's not that it's nasty, it's just tart. I do this by myself every morning, like make these stupid faces every morning.
Friday for the bracelet, as it cruise down the highway. She like bass with the axe, someone is sitting sideways, sipping on sizzle.
Almost done.
No girl up by Friday, smelling like Chanel #5.
There it is. Ah! Every morning, same thing. Okay, that's all I have for you guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. I hope that you guys actually follow this recipe and get your own results. So bye, I'll see you guys next time.
Take a walk through the garden, and when we roll through, she say she wanna do a drug, I let her roll too. I'm just looking for a glass.